A fully intact and liquid egg dating from the Roman occupation of Britain is believed to be the only one of its kind in the world. The ancient egg, which is dated to about 1700 years old, was discovered during a dig in Aylesbury, Buckinghamshire. At the time, experts hailed the find as a genuinely unique discovery, but it has recently proven to be even more significant. This is because tests have shown that the egg still contains liquid yolk and egg white. The discovery that led researchers to say they were blown away was revealed by a micro-CT scan. The technique produced 3D images and showed the contents of the egg, complete with the air sac. Edward Biddulph, senior project manager at Oxford Archaeology, which oversaw the excavation, said that finding the egg was amazing. The fact that the egg still retains its original contents, however, is absolutely incredible. He added, "We were absolutely blown away when we saw the contents in there, as we might have expected them to have leached out." Originally, the egg was discovered among a clutch of others in a dig that took place between 2007 and 2016, as developers were constructing housing at the site. The miracle egg was the only one to survive intact, with others breaking during the excavation, releasing what archaeologists called a potent stench. The discovery was published in 2019, but the sheer magnitude of the find was later revealed and was, as Mr. Biddulph said, more than could be foreseen. He said the Roman-era egg was still revealing its secrets. In Roman folklore, eggs were associated with fertility, rebirth, and the Roman gods Mithras and Mercury. The long-running excavation also turned up other items such as a basket which was recreated locally, metal items, pottery, and other artifacts. But it was the egg that was the standout discovery. Recent research undertaken by conservator Dana Goodburn Brown involved taking the egg to the University of Kent to be scanned. On the study, Mr. Biddulph said, it produced an amazing image that indicated that the egg, apart from being intact, which is incredible enough, also retained its liquid inside, presumably deriving from the yolk, albumin, etc. The egg was also taken to the Natural History Museum in London for further examination. There, Douglas Russell, senior curator of the museum's Birds' Eggs and Nests collection, and his colleague Ariana Bonucci gave advice on how to conserve the egg and remove its precious contents without breaking it. Mr. Russell said, "There are older eggs with contents. For example, the museum has a series of mummified birds' eggs, probably excavated from the catacombs of sacred animals at Dendera, Upper Egypt in 1898, which may be older. However, this is the oldest unintentionally preserved avian egg I have ever seen. That makes it fascinating. Going forward, it will be very exciting to see if we can use any of the modern imaging and analysis techniques available here at the museum to shed further light on exactly which species laid the eggs and its potential archaeological significance." Mr. Biddulph added, "As we found out when we visited the Natural History Museum, it appears to be the oldest known example in the world." He said that transporting the egg to the museum was a bit daunting, as it involved him walking around London with a 2,000-year-old egg. He added, "It was a bit hairy on the tube, although it was very well protected. It's not like I was carrying it around in my pocket." The artefact is now being kept at the Discover Bucks Museum in Aylesbury while work continues to remove the contents without breaking the shell. Mr. Biddulph concluded, "It's a bit like blowing an egg, but obviously a much finer process. There is huge potential for further scientific research, and this is the next stage in the life of this remarkable egg." Fascinating indeed. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description, or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.